Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 1970 Challenger RT SE. This is a real deal 383 car, 4-speed, B5 blue. The car has the SE package, so it has the vinyl top, the high-end cloth seats, it has power windows, it has AM 8-trip. It has the sport racing mirrors that are remote on the driver's side. Has the RT stripes. Polyglass F60 15 Goodyear tires. Rally wheels. The car is amazing. All the way around. I'll pop the hood. Sitting there purring. The car is a rotisserie restored car. I mean, it's done all the way right. It is a date code correct 1973-83 block. There's your numbers you're looking for. All the way around. Power steering and power disc brakes. Car is detailed, beautiful inside and out. Has your hood stripe and your side decal. Has 44 miles on the restoration. Car is high end from top to bottom, done right, rotisserie done, painted floors, AM 8-track, power windows, just zoom up and down. Has a high end cloth insert. The overhead SE console, and of course the SE badging inside. Floors are just as shiny on the bottom as they are on top. Reverse lights work. It's got the right dual exhaust cutouts and tips, and the paint is, oh my gosh, super nice. As you saw, the pistol grip 4-speed, overhead console, cloth inserts. It is a fantastic car, inside and out. Come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com, RedlineAutosports.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed day.